Shed. My dog sheds hair all over the sofa every spring. The tree is shedding its leaves right now. The snake has just shed its skin. I have been shedding old clutter from the attic for weeks. I shed my heavy coat as soon as I got inside yesterday. I was shedding my backpack when the strap snapped. The oak had shed all its leaves before the first snow. I had been shedding old habits slowly for months before the change stuck. I will shed a few kilos before the summer. The trees will be shedding blossom all through spring. I will have shed my winter layers by the time we reach the coast. By June, I will have been shedding weight steadily for a year.